Top 5 Wireless Router. Number 5. TP-Link AC1750 Smart Wi-Fi Router. One of routers for wireless internet which works with Alexa. Compatible with all Wi-Fi devices, 802.11 AC and older. Dual band router upgrades to 1750 Mbps high speed. Long range coverage by 3 external antennas. Easily set up and remotely manage your home network. Please check out the description for details and update prices. Number 4, Motorola AC1700 Dual Band Wi-Fi Gigabit Router. Concurrent dual band Wi-Fi operation supporting 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Plug the MR1700 into whatever cable modem or other broadband modem you choose. Easy setup, user-friendly firewall, parental controls, guest network capability, expert, friendly support from the USA. 2-year warranty. Dual-core processor, and more. Please check out the description for details and update prices. Number 3. Linksys MaxStream AC2200 Tri-Band Wireless Router, 64/128-bit WEP, WPA2 Personal, WPA2 Enterprise. Intelligent tri-band router with quad-core CPU. Provide 3 high-speed Wi-Fi bands up to 2.2 Gbps. Advanced beamforming with 6 high-power amplifiers focus. 4 Gigabit Ethernet ports for wired speeds 10x faster. Please check out the description for details and update prices. Number 2. Netgear Nighthawk X6 AC3000. 3.0 Gbps fast combined Wi-Fi speed for uninterrupted streaming. Tri-band MU-MIMO simultaneous streaming to more devices. 1.8 GHz dual-core processor delivers lag-free gaming. USB 3.0 port offers high speed. Easily set up your router. Please check out the description for details and update prices. Number 1. Netgear XR500 Nighthawk Pro. Prioritize gaming devices and allocate bandwidth by device to eliminate lag due to queuing at the ISP network. Personalized dashboard to view real-time bandwidth utilization by device. Check bandwidth utilization by device and application. Maximize speeds using a wired connection. Easily set up your router. Please check out the description for details and update prices.